Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm showing you British Indian restaurant cooking. Today I'm going to do a classic one, chicken Bhuna. It's probably the first curry I had. It was a really good start of curry if you don't want anything too mild, too sweet. So we're going to first start with cutting the onion and the pepper. So it does require quite a lot of skill to do the onions and peppers. Do the best you can because you've got to cut them very finely. So you've got to go in really finely. Again, remember what I said before on keeping the end so it's all joined up. And you're not supposed to sort of like, it's not meant to be chunks of onion like a do piazza or something. So we call this Bhuna onions, but it goes into a lot of curries. It goes into sort of garlic chili chicken, quite a lot. It takes a long time to chop these onions because it's so fine, and you can go over it again and again. Ready. Right. So now we're ready for the curry. So you know how to do the gravy sauce, which I've showed you. You know how to do the chicken. So I'm just going to use sort of about then you have your garlic ginger paste, which I've shown you how to make. Just about a teaspoon. Put it in there. Let that sort of melt in. Right. And then we've got the onions, the Bhuna onions. And then you're going to let that caramelise a little bit. You can add a pinch of salt, but you've got salt in the prep chicken already, you've got salt in the gravy, so I don't really add any more. But if you need it quicker, you can just add a little bit of salt to caramelise it. I've got a very powerful cooker here, so I can, just get this cooking very, very quick. We have tomato puree, which I've shown you how to use, about 1 spoon, and then you can put your chicken in. Normally would put about 6-7 pieces in, but for a demo I'm just putting 3 in, which I'll probably put a bit too much onions in. Right. And this is where you lower the gas a little bit. And then you have our Desi style mix powder here, about 1 teaspoon of it into there. And then put the gas on quite low. So the spice can fuse into the chicken, into the prep chicken, and you can really taste the flavour before putting the gravy in. Let it just kind of simmer into the onions, into the chicken, and once it's marinated a little bit in, you're ready for your gravy. So gravy, I would say, I've shown you how to make this. On this is about half a portion. I'm going to put in about 2 big sort of cooking spoons in. It's meant to be slightly dry, the Bhuna anyway. It's not like a chicken curry full of sauce, so less sauce is probably better. Oh yeah, and I did forget to mention, sorry, while we put the Desi mix style in, if you want it spicy, you can just add some other chilled chili. Again, that's optional. In the restaurant, it's a medium dish. We don't put it, unless a customer requests, I'll have a chicken Bhuna Madras strength or Vindaloo hot, then we'll put it in. But as standard, it just comes medium, but that's optional for you. Like I said, the gravy takes a couple of hours to make. Probably the amount you'll make at home probably take about an hour. The chicken takes sort of like 30 minutes, 20 minutes to prep up. So what you can do if you want to be a bit more fast is make some chicken and freeze it, and make some gravy and freeze it. Then you could make the curry very quickly. But again, you know, it's not going to taste as good as freshly made, but it is a quicker method of just doing it. So if you're thinking, you know, you make a batch of chicken and a batch of gravy, freeze it up, and then you can make dinner very quickly. So that's about done. Then we have these, we have a tomato. Put this at the very last minute, otherwise it will melt in the curry. So just 2 tomatoes, chop it in half, and then for this size, put it in, let it sort of cook in. Kind of optional, some places put 4 tomatoes, some places put 2, so it's kind of up to you really. If it dries up, then just add a little bit more gravy. But finishing touch. It's just getting a little bit dry, so I'm just adding a touch more of gravy. Let that cook in. And then that's done. That's your chicken Bhuna.